Oba the other room, Bibia Boko, Nehopusa Mosusa.
Over Yahu na anano I show TV so we analysis. Na why foul you bro fun say over send a big game thing now Ubebo Akebe come up.
Well, sir, if we invite me there, may hesitate, I will come and help.
Yes, but a lot of Ghanaians enjoyed your analysis and want to say we're excited that you've joined us on the Premier League.
I appreciate that.
Ovana ananu kwesiada tama more commentary position muza oni Josiah ani akumia din komo you are insisting say kotokobeshe you are even very emphatic say Albert Amo abeshe go and an Caesar cake ni kobo bar. What made you so confident and your pawn game now kotokonsha how did you feel?
Well, me can be say half of a loaf is better than none. In fact, as a matter of fact, I done but I was optimistic say Kotoko beating I should go because we hear Kotoko progressive na especially Albertamo as a striker, no, the way I now and the goal scoring no Barcelona na me did to say ebe continue amano. So rather unfortunate say that is a kick no echo ball bar no until well the said the American do baby you wish soon paper when be an you wish say the things are a bemo be any but it do baby hard luck shooting them. That's why I born Kobo Pool now. We assume a penya Emma Kotoko players who say with the first Makoche Nigeria man interest Abano interest all is well with them. They need to put more effort to make things happen. We Kotoko matches there all the time. No only second division, even third division Kureboa a friendly match who say opposition is very, very tough. So you also need to build yourself. Not member complacency and my life, then build on what you have done.
After watching Kotoko and Rano, then I'll bet Makafa the future of the team going forward. Our league in
going forward with league in no me pie bonus Kotoko we're able to keep these players. Enquire say yeah bia na Kotoko yeah overhauling players whereby recruitment Pamuni part 20 no Akofani part 20 something about him. Football is about cohesion. We are there Heart of Lions were able to contain Kotoko. Why? Because most of their players has been there for 3 years, so they know each other. And Kotoko, so build it in. Kotoko na Kotoko Nti, it will be easy. It will not be easy for them, but the American say the fight will not be easy. Why is Obo Africa now Obo League? Maybe MTN so Noka Mbaba. And players has to bring themselves to a position whereby they are very, very fit. And play a beer with the bench, They do this time now. We are very, very important to the team. Just for our bench because you can be called. Kotokobo Wednesday or Sunday or Wednesday or Saturday. Then in the following week, talk about Africa. So it do be players need to be one more to me and more maybe more being part of Sudan. I profile matches are a process and to be on number get the way kakra. Then you need those also from the bench, to come and do the job. And player matters, but the most important and I say advice I'm the bench they must get themselves ready because they can be caught at any given time. to play a game. So I always say, want to me, we need be more to relax, control yourself, even with the demo, we train here, we never want to know, maybe my mobile, my need no. Kotoko there, you can be called upon at any given time. In case there, who feels our bench, now one day, Nipa Okwa idea was in a young man, own to me money a call upon you, who never ready. So that's why you cannot make it. And you know the supporters will also be there for you. They will try, they will make sure that what you are in the team, but you are not performing. They will talk against it. So a player has to prepare himself, whether you are a starter or not. You yourself prepare yourself for the D-Day.
One observation, I'm out for the Kotokwechi. I'm making it say. Albert Amoah and Timmy and Shako to continue share. Everything is down to Albert Amoah. For you, as an attacker and as a legend of the club, who is saying?
In most of the time in clubs, at Mibasa, at any generation, there are times no Opoku Nti one of the striker captain. No, it goes at random. Opoku Nti na enye is a coach between a drop, even though on an unpack no so or to care or so we are there or go. So that kind of player no ultimately and drop on just like that. But the coach has to the individual player. You move or any Opoku Nti boy. Now yes, as a no. By the time came no, now you should go maybe. So I started with this individual player, and working from the front and I would say a spot on because I give to be a didma go scoring. Nowadays, a name called Manchester City. Is it Manchester City? Yeah.
Manchester City, maybe a Haaland one.
Haaland, yeah. Haaland. And the contribution is over touch no putting himself well, over touch on the key obia on just like that. Exceptional might be a 1-against-1 over Konwako shot. Other than that, or for Robert Akrab, attach it to the left, attach it to the right, no go in for finishing. And that kind of strikers, clinical strikers, even the word Lokra is lacking. And Amoah is a type of Wabi Kotokomu. But I don't say others should not also work to score. No. Because I just said that more and just a team will lose. So the coach has to build a team in such a way that someone has to. But it starts also from individual. Because you move be a trainer who say no. We also have to score. And it doesn't come overnight. It will not come overnight. You need to practice it. Even in training, you make sure so you are also scoring. Then it becomes part of you. San has started there, but I hope, Coach, Coach Zito, knowing him, will start to build also certain players who can also score a goal. But it's individual who has to train yourself for that thing to happen.
Just said the league, Yasha, say Heart of Lions, 10 points from 4 games. Obian Sheno, House of Folk in Yan Lusu game. Mediama Aso, Okota Kwawa, where they were doing Chibeka from Kotoko chances. So many bet me winning Ghana Premier League this season. It's saying the great Lord Zico.
It's just the beginning. Sometimes, no more. I want to make a deal anymore. I get the crown, but as it is, protocol and you late back and you started league I can't remember Heart of Lions that last year almost another 2 years ago they were on top like this, but the time came now. Obama said they fall out. Now, let me feel protocol. African will motivate them more. They will get more experience and they will get to know themselves. And I know Kotoko will come back to win the league. last time I had opportunity to talk to the players, and I catch them say, look, Mama Nyamadi say Africa no kwana money also. The league is as much as important. The league is very, very important because your time, no, I say it happened to us 1980. You had somebody at G League, you know, it's one about Africa. But we first, you know, any free. But fortunately, it's one also a G League. It's a sample 82 Africa. And you the call finance. You call finance and you runners up. And I know so. Yentimi Argentina, but you G League, you know, so 82 no ankasa. And yeah, easy, but it's workable. Concentration and fighting, sacrificing, and want to. You also have vision. To find the way example, more. And can I eat a tray? It means how a ball African or a league, you know. So, I idea be a Sokotokos players in who say, we are new ones here, but we need to educate them, we need to talk to them, then motivate them for them to know, say, look, it can happen. Waiting at the league in a white Obo African. It depends on individual players. The sacrifice. Also, playing as a team, which is very, very important. Because a group of this one here, that's a we should go to set me call back. We'll be at me should go. I feel not selfish them.
Yeah.
Oh, with them. And you know, all these things, you know, it has to be managed. You hear, say, you better educate you. If you get opportunity, we will talk to them and try to let them understand. So football, because I want to know what to know in football, no be to be that. And what you know, Bema will generally cry a shorter and
that's
easier
true
for you.
I know, correct.
Yeah.
Legend, when you talk Opoku Nti, you talk Asante Kotoko. But the history of the Ghana Black Stars can never be written without Opoku Nti. Because if we say 82 Chemu Amuji African Cup, I've seen there, Obienu Awetimi Ajibi. So Opoku Nti and your generation will forever be a blessing to Ghana football. Now, offer a channel going to a tour Morocco and Central African Republic World Cup qualifiers. It is saying, I can't say Ghana from come on to a yem. And I say, I will say, you can't any breso.
I will say it in the corner because the World Cup and World Cup, you know, as I see, you know, sometimes people will talk, say, football, your nation first. But I tell you, for me, you know, I'm above all done. Meaning, say, you as an individual first. Because World Cup qualifying to the World Cup, you know, a good platform for you to sell yourself. And professional players, you know, they know and they understand. Say, with World Cup platform, you know, and maybe no any good a contract. One of the mention a business contract will be renewed with a good money because of World Cup. Our corporate called Ghana do present World Cup, you know, anyhow as individual, what me make here, very, very important. You have say about boy, Kotoko say, there's a Kotoko say they are trainer. Then it comes back to one of the share goes, you know. You have to describe it. I was very clear because so I say go no, I'm a Kotoko and say, and you must have a Kotoko saying. So as an individual, no, you have to motivate yourself. And where, I know how far you want to go. Very, very, very important. Because I know you have to have a vision. Say, what you say, the call World Cup, boy, my man, then we'll go qualifying series now. We'll go all out. What will make you excel, no, you will go through. And so that qualify we are, then at least we dream, no, you are one step ahead.
That's true.
So, very important.
And I know you said that from say you call Chad. Now Yakobon Trukana Chad for the Ghana Bebo draw. I for say to that team with the asset in as far as some of these countries are concerned.
Yeah, the more can I do, baby? It's me, yes, sir. But sometimes, a basama will wake up from your slumber. A basa also a be a hormone. Things happen so that so what that kurana.
Now, among folks say, anano yeti TV echi na semenyo wachichi nipa abobo tight angle asanshe 2 goals. Yeti wa Kudus Mohammed achichi from the right side, and then the left abort to the near post. Keeper Ntimanche. Yes, I be a Brandon Asante. Memenda wa Shem Yunua Coventry. Yes, Uncle Shaya Fatai Isaku. Wa ball long range about 35 yards ashe. Inaki. Yetiya onusu ashe. Legend. Enzo come in be bom and Toadwa. Performance yo omo dane di chi omo respective clubs. Ye hu so omo dane di Magana. Anano Minister of Sports koka say and man tell Bobo Cross I am Shishia Biwum. The entire yenya output for the clubs when they come to the national team.
Well, I think the minimum think as you play professional, I'm more professional than Bobo or Ghana. I think so also say one self motivation say look, I am good. I am too good for these people. I need to work very hard. Sometimes, the main is sometimes I'm more relaxed. Apart from that, now almost thinking of getting injured and not able to, because it's not easy to fight for position while you are playing professional. It's not easy. One way I'll come back, I'll be by next team. And yes, I will be established. Sometimes for our coach, so about be a Sunday, no Wednesday, and I know do best starting from the bench. One with the million.
Yeah.
If you be on yeah, no, so much and so on. And it be on so the main one is hold on to the ball too much, either to impress the our Ghanaian crowd or no, I don't know. But if you on more, extra too much to a sense, some also easy, but no easy. There are certain positions beyond and there are certain places on the field now. Oba in years of football now deserve two defenders. A waste of energy and waste of time. A waste of energy and waste of time. And to know me feel Coach Ado has to work on them. Let them know, say, look. Obi on my position our ball on the team no. Maybe no be our ball. Ghana. A bit change sometimes. And you munya a bit many the same positions, But I also almost say
brilliance na idea from Abisi Sabri.
exactly. You are right on that. Sometimes it will work. Sometimes also it will be very difficult because young fan say Kudus, for instance, Kudus is the star. Now, coming star, a very clear. Now, say coach be watching no, but on the African matches also are a different crowd terrain all together. It's a Europe, one with them, Africa, toughness no extra. Be both to or banner in the trend that say. Or mine say they show the card and now no. So just to weaken or to put fear in you. So if maybe I have to advise Kudus and Kamaka say there are certain positions they already born. Name only power for his drives. Where we call third part of the opponent team on the field and then the drives to me. Then I'll take you on nipper to on the third half of the opponent's side, it's either they will foul him to get free kick or they will not and allow him to go and shoot. But the middle horn move hanging ball, 10, we see football counter attack is very, very important. Looking at for ball. One long pass to the striker of free kick, then Ubia Banu Abobo. Just three touches at the go about. And the time I ball no, I will see a cock hunter. Hunter, no, who say Yeah, the penny, non cofona sambe cover. So I'm also delaying our goal scoring.
Wow.
And as individual, no, they need to now. No, I know. Say, I am mature to a sense. Say, Omabo Ghana market sign Omabo Europe. They should be able to bend it. They should use their wisdom to be able to navigate through African football. And players now, Omunu as a player, as a teammate, no. There I may expect individual crowd without the coach. You bet me, I can say, okay, when you're born now, not for harm, or you're born to her. All this is communication is also very, very important. And the bit me a boy.
The great Opoku Nti Kobat. What are expectations? Ghana versus Central African Republic or Mekinis Morocco?
We need to have a win. We need to get a win. Yeah, per se, your co-work happened there. We so much were very, very important. If you're a winner, you get pulled down on calculations now. You're the qualifier. So that young conquer dream will be, and I am Mompa Intia will be. What would they return? Because the whole nation is counting on this World Cup, and I believe, the whole nation will pray for the Black Stars to be able to come out with flying colors. And I pray their fitness level will be very high. So much when you match Yakobo entertainment football, we need the goals. So right from the start, their mindset should know, should tell them, look, we need the goal, we need the win. And if they have this mindset, I know, they will come out with flying colors. We have brilliant individual players, and they can make it.
The great Opoku Nti, Nyankopon Shao, say wadaje na onya kasa Max TV Ghana nyinara obi atonka Ewrade Shao bebre ye besenhia bi omofa.
Amen. Yameso Shao ene atiefo nyina.
That's a great man we just spoke to. Aye, Kotoko supporters. Has for the own chamo.
Has for.
Max TV wa cry nti ka ucha na wa chia omu prako.
Okay. Me who say the say our house into the house. Me has for say you can say patron Frank Nelson.
Aye, wadamfu.
Madam for no. And you know, no crack a home to metia as one.
What was it just that? Na say no home baby away.
Some me digi. My digging and menene you know, da no akatu nim say Opoku Nti okoto konti basic. We are the answer.
Abanyami Shao enya da se so ni akasa. All right. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. The great Lord Opoku Nti, legend of the game, Kotoko, Ghana. Intedu, yamba Kotoko